Bitcoin cash value equivalent to $484.19 a coin. The present exchange cost range, 466.46, 490.14. The earlier day close, 473.12. The change was plus 11.07, plus 234%. Converse rate, as to BCH. Bitcoin cash gauge for August 2024. To start with, cost at $382. Exorbitant cost $474, while low cost $382. They found the middle value of cost $420. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end $443. Change for August 16%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for September 2024. At the outset cost at $443. Excessive cost $550, while low cost $443. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $488. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end $514. Change for September 16%. Bitcoin cash conjecture for October 2024. At the outset cost at $514. Excessive cost $564, while low cost $490. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $524. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end $527. Change for October 25%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for November 2024. First and foremost cost at $527. Exorbitant cost $654, while low cost $527. They found the middle value of cost $580. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end $611. Change for November 15.9%. Bitcoin cash estimate for December 2024. First and foremost cost at $611. Exorbitant cost $670, while low cost $582. They found the middle value of cost $622. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end $626. Change for December 25%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for January 2025. Before all else cost at $626. Excessive cost $702, while low cost $610. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $649. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end $656. Change for January 48%. Bitcoin cash conjecture for February 2025. Before all else cost at $656. Excessive cost $792, while low cost $656. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $711. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end $740. Change for February 8%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for Walk 2025. In the first place cost at $740. Exorbitant cost $824, while low cost $716. They found the middle value of cost $763. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end $770. Change for spring-fall 1%. Bitcoin cash figure for April 2025. Before all else cost at $770. Excessive cost $857, while low cost $745. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $793. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end $801. Change for April 4%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for May 2025. First and foremost cost at $801. Excessive cost $994, while low cost $801. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $881. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end $929. Change for May 16%. Bitcoin cash figure for June 2025. Initially cost at $929. Excessive cost $1,003, while low cost $871. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $935. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end $937. Change for June's 9%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for July 2025. In the first place cost at $937. Exorbitant cost $115, while low cost $883. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $946. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end $949. Change for July 3%. Bitcoin cash figure for August 2025. Initially cost at $949. Excessive cost $131, while low cost $897. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $960. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end $964. Change for August 6%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for September 2025. Initially cost at $964. Exorbitant cost $1,035, while low cost $899. They found the middle value of cost $966. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end $967. Change for September's or 3%. Bitcoin cash estimate for October 2025. To start with cost at $967. Exorbitant cost $201, while low cost $967. They found the middle value of cost $1,064. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end 1/2022. Change for October 16%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for November 2025. In the first place, cost at $122. Exorbitant cost $122, while low cost $888. They found the middle value of cost $122. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end 955. Change for November 14.9%. Bitcoin cash gauge for December 2025. In the first place, cost at $955. Exorbitant cost $1,005, while low cost $873. They found the middle value of cost $943. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end 939. Change for December 17%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for January 2026. Before all else, cost at $939. Excessive cost $963, while low cost $837. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $910. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end 900. Change for January 2%. Bitcoin cash figure for February 2026. Before all else, cost at $900. Excessive cost $1,005, while low cost $873. They found the middle value of cost $929. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end 939. Change for February 3%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for Walk 2026. To start with, cost at $939. Exorbitant cost $939, while low cost $734. They found the middle value of cost $850. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end $789. Change for spring 16%. Bitcoin cash gauge for April 2026. To start with, cost at $789. Excessive cost $979, while low cost $789. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $868. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end 915. Change for April 16%. As to BCH expectation for May 2024. In the first place, cost at 215 coins. Exorbitant cost 251, while low zone 177. They found the middle value of cost 215. The ICE to BCH gauge toward the month's end 16. Change for May zone 5%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash estimate for June 2024. To start with, cost at 216 coins. Exorbitant cost 256,